Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yo, your girl is pumped the hell up. Yes, did I say pumped up? Yes, I am pumped up. Hold on there. What's going up there so? Babes,
What?
like why we need a suitcase?
You mean why we need a suitcase? We're going on vacation, my girl. What are you talking about?
Did somebody say vacation? Guys, we're going on a vacation. Woo! All right, so if you're new here, welcome to the PoppyShowJA. Go ahead and hit that like button now and subscribe and share it with a friend or two. Yeah, we'd greatly appreciate that. Let's get back to business. You saw my eyes red? My eyes, oh girl, oh man, I'm telling you. Today was a busy day. I've been up doing some run around. Yo, your girl tired. Man, I lie. Look at my eyes, there, man. Jesus. But anyways, you know, your girl had to get a bit glamored up today. You know, nails done, eyelashes done, eyebrows. Check. Guys, me no know at what time you're gonna unpack tonight. It's ridiculous. Let's go see what Poppy up to.
Hi guys. So you're tired, say? Vacation time, guys. So this video is actually an introduction to the vacation where we want you guys to see what we're packing for our vacation. Okay? We know you're gonna absolutely love it. You know, for my Taya birthday, we have to do it big. So here I have my tank tops. So it's not a long vacation, so I'm just carrying a small amount of tank tops, and you don't know I always sleeping on my little tam cause the cool, my head, that no work. Vacation, water, pool, sandals. My underwear. Here are my swimwears. Don't know, I can't swim, but for going in the water we need swim stuff. You know what I mean? A pair of jeans. It's all about shorts and stuff. So I'm gonna really need too much pants. So I'm gonna just carry just a couple of pants. I have my t-shirts here, my shorts here. Don't want to give away too much, so not showing too much. And then my outfit for Latoya's birthday dinner. I have my watches over here, deodorant, some few more things that I will be putting in, but not right here right now. So this is my stuff for vacation.
Hi guys, this is what I'm going to be taking on vacation. Here are my t-shirts, my shorts, my dress shirts, my briefs. Here are my outdoor shorts and my pair of shoes and some slippers, my swim trunks, and my tank top to go to bed.
Okay guys, so there it is. I'm all packed and ready to go. So let's go see what Taya do. No Taya going with a bag of things, you know, guys. What the hell? Guys, check out all of this stuff.
Oh. Really? What is the problem?
Only a 2 different vacation. Guys, it's coming like me I stay 2 weeks and Taya stay a month.
You did your tag. Did you pack toothbrush? Did you pack roll-on?
My wife have me covered.
Did you pack washcloth?
My wife
Did
have me
you
covered.
pack up? So you see, guys. So Poppy just packed just him clothes and shoes, underwear, and that's it. But wife now, take a look over here. So wife have to make sure say husband have his toothbrush, right? Me have to make sure say we have wipes, we have disinfectant, and guys, let me tell you something. when you're traveling, especially for me, my first night, I usually have insomnia because it takes me a while to get adjusted. So you don't know the allergy medicine, the Benadryl, that always come handy. And you never know, you may have headaches, maybe from a hairstyle or just stress of the day. So you need some, you know, some Tylenol to soothe you and whatever. So, oh, also, guys, pre-poop toilet spray. Very important when you're traveling. Oh, Poppy, you never know where you make up your face, you never know.
Poop.
Very important, guys.
Oh, you need that, guys.
And that one perfume, you know, nothing fancy or whatever. Actually, I've had this perfume, how long now, babes? You bought this like about 2 years ago, and look where it's at. Not really big on perfumes. I'm more of a, you know, body splash type of girl right now. I don't know, I think the perfumes are just a bit too strong.
So let them know what you're bringing.
Alright, so I have that over there, so you know, body wash of course, lotion. So you see Poppy I talk about me have whole heap of things and whatever, guys. Poppy now, but none of these things, you know, everything is left on white, right? Alright. So, you know, carry like a hand soap will come in handy. And of course, you know, we'll be hitting the pool, so we need some sunscreen. Yeah, definitely. And of course, you know, your roll on and feminine stuff and whatever. Alright. And you know, one soap just in case. As far as the shoes them, guys, I rather carry more than what I need. Just in the event. You know how we women are and whatever. So, and the same thing with Zion. She's just like me, you know. So I rather carry a whole heap of things more than I have enough. Because my mind easy to change. So Poppy decided to carry a suitcase. I'm not go on a plane, I'm not carrying a suitcase. So I decided to use these two big bags. I am hoping though. You think them can hold it?
Well, I think you're gonna need about 2 more bags.
No man, them have to hold man. We really don't want to carry a suitcase, like seriously. I think it's just easier just to hold the bag and just throw it in the trunk. Over here, I make sure I carry my own, you know, blankets and beach towels and other towels and whatever. Popping on thing about those things, you know, guys. So that shirt here, I carried to Jamaica like twice in the past and brought it back up. Held up on it the same way. I'm hoping that I get to wear this t-shirt, this top. Don't it nice?
Yeah, it look nice, eh?
Yeah, but I don't know, for some reason, every time I carry it, I don't know what happens. So I am hoping that I get to wear this dress. Seriously. Then I have the swimwears over here. Yeah. And a couple outfits and whatever like this. I have to carry more than what we need because you never know what can happen. So I'll have some dresses over there. Then sleepwear. Very important. And underwears.
No. What about the underwear thing? Leave the underwears to me. I will pick out the underwears. Move on to something else. Next.
Why are you gonna pick out my underwears?
Honey, it's no debate. Leave the underwear thing to me.
Anyways, I like to bring my own toiletries and stuff. So, you know, I'm gonna bring my own toilet paper towel. And then like our little, what do you call this again?
Or a squishmallow.
Our little squishmallow. Squishmallow. Yeah. And then I have one bag over there, so, and then another purse over here. And then has her purse, of course. And she likes her little earphone, right, guys?
Yeah,
so yeah, right. And then we have, you know, maybe I brought a little bit more than she needs, but so we stay. We're extra. We don't care, right, Zion? So we do not care if they think we're extra or not, right? So what you have in your bag?
Zion, what do you have in your bag?
Let's show them what you have in your bag.
Okay.
Come on.
Come
and take out. Show them what you're carrying in your bag.
What are you carrying in your bag?
Show them.
You got your baby?
Then have a mount up. Yo.
Okay.
Then for car one bag, you know? Then for car.
Mount have baby come on this trip here.
Then she have her, what is? Gumball, well packed already, you know. Then make sure pack that, you know. So it's not easy, you know. And when you put that in there, so we go with socks.
I need to wear it like
No, you don't need no socks, baby. You don't need. Mrs. Saying a pack out hell. Let me see what else in this. What is? Oh, baby blanket. Oh, Jesus.
Then I pack for your baby too.
Hey,
Oh, Rubik's Cube.
Saying you don't need this man. Leave that alone. You don't need that. So,
School boss.
Then you're the boss. But anyways, you're a boss, so I'm not to argue with you with that. Oh, you put them in oil. Thank you. I make sure put them in there and now left them. Alright, so let me see if I can get to packing because I'm really tired. Can't lie.
Okay guys, so there you have it. Y'all packed with us. Next time you see us, we'll be on vacation. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share it with somebody guys, okay? Watch tired on this. Really? Say bye, Zion.